Ever wondered how to infuse your garden with the elegance and grandeur characteristic of the majestic French château landscapes? Imagine stepping outside to a space where meticulous design and symmetrical beauty transport you to an era of royal opulence and artistry. In today's exploration, we delve deep into the heart of French formal gardens, guiding you through a transformative journey from basic backyard to a regal French oasis. Discover the history, key elements, and practical steps to curate your very own French formal garden, inviting a slice of aristocratic France into your home. One. The essence of French formal gardens. The French formal garden, or jardin à la française, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. It's an outdoor ensemble where architecture meets nature, characterized by its strict geometric patterns, symmetrical layouts, and an unyielding sense of order. Central to this design is the principle of controlling nature, transforming wild landscapes into manicured masterpieces that serve as a symbol of power and sophistication. 2. Key elements of design. At the heart of the French formal garden are several defining features that together create its iconic look: symmetry and geometry, the backbone of the design, ensuring balance and harmony. Paths, hedges, and beds are meticulously arranged to mirror each other, creating a visually satisfying experience from every viewpoint. Water features. Fountains, canals, and reflecting pools are more than decorative elements. They're central to the garden's layout, adding movement, reflection, and sound that enhance the sensory experience. Topiaries and hedges. Sculpted shrubs and trees not only define spaces and pathways, but also add architectural structure to the garden, showcasing nature's versatility under human craftsmanship. Parterres. Intricately designed flower beds, often in geometric patterns, serve as living art, adding color and texture to the garden's green palette. 3. Planning your French formal garden. Creating your French formal garden begins with careful planning. Assess your space, considering its size, shape, and the natural elements already present. Draft a design that incorporates the garden's key features, adjusting for scale and proportion to ensure that each element contributes to the overall harmony. This stage is crucial as it lays the groundwork for transforming your vision into reality. 4. Plant selection and maintenance. Selecting appropriate plants is vital for embodying the essence of a French formal garden. Ideal choices are those amenable to pruning and shaping, contributing to the garden's structured elegance. Beyond the classic boxwoods for hedges and yews for topiaries, consider incorporating privet, hornbeam, and berberis for variety in texture and color. Lavender, rosemary, and santolina can add fragrant and low-lying elements to your parterres, while roses, peonies, and hydrangeas provide seasonal color bursts that complement the evergreen backdrop. Equally important is the maintenance of these plants. Regular pruning, watering, and care are essential to preserve the garden's meticulous appearance. No French formal garden is complete without the artistic touches that elevate it from merely a garden to a masterpiece. Sculptures, urns, and ornamental features should be strategically placed to draw the eye and add focal points. These elements not only enrich the garden's visual appeal, but also imbue it with a sense of history and culture, reflecting the artistic endeavors of the era it emulates. The journey to creating a French formal garden is both a challenge and a delight, offering an opportunity to bring a piece of historical grandeur to your own backyard. It's a process that requires patience, creativity, and a deep appreciation for the delicate balance between nature and design. As you embark on this endeavor, let the principles of symmetry, order, and beauty guide you, transforming your space into a haven of French elegance and sophistication. Are you inspired to incorporate elements of this iconic style into your own garden? Which aspects resonate most with you, and how do you envision bringing them to life? Join the conversation below, sharing your ideas, questions, and experiences as we collectively celebrate the art of French formal gardening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Garden Club for more insightful gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!